Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video transitions to your videos in CapCut PC. So to do that, you are going to grab a video. I'm just going to use this video. So you'll need more than one clip. You can either select the video and split it in half or wherever, or add another video next to it. So you can add in a video transition here. So go to the transitions section and you're just going to select whichever one you want. For instance, this one. Okay. You can also adjust the duration of the video transition here as well. If you want to add a video transition in the beginning of your videos, go to background and add in like a black stock video beforehand. And then you can add in a video transition after, but unless you don't have like a video here, you can't add a video transition. Just make it a little bit longer here. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!